Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're always on the go and looking for quick, healthy, and delicious lunch ideas, this video is just for you. We'll be sharing 10 easy lunch recipes that are nutritious, super tasty, and perfect for meal prepping. So, whether you're heading to work, school, or just need a quick bite at home, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. First up is a Mediterranean chickpea salad. This salad is packed with protein, fiber, and loads of flavor. You'll need chickpeas, chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, red onions, and parsley. For the dressing, mix olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Toss everything together, and you have a refreshing, satisfying meal in minutes. It's perfect for making ahead and stays fresh for up to 3 days in the fridge. Next, let's make a turkey and veggie wrap. Start with a whole grain tortilla, spread some hummus, and layer it with turkey slices, shredded carrots, baby spinach, and sliced avocado. Roll it up tightly, and your nutritious wrap is ready to go. It's high in protein and keeps you full for hours. You can also swap turkey with tofu or grilled chicken if you prefer. For a hearty option, try a quinoa and roasted veggie bowl. Cook quinoa according to package instructions. While it cooks, roast a mix of vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, and sweet potatoes in the oven with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Once ready, layer the quinoa in a bowl, add the roasted veggies, and drizzle with tahini or your favorite dressing. This meal is wholesome, packed with nutrients, and easy to customize with your preferred veggies. Our fourth recipe is a caprese pasta salad. Cook some whole grain pasta, let it cool, and mix it with cherry tomatoes, fresh mozzarella balls, and basil leaves. For the dressing, use a mix of balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and Italian seasoning. Toss everything together, and you'll have a light and flavorful lunch that's perfect for summer. Who doesn't love a good Caesar salad? For this recipe, grill some chicken breast seasoned with salt and pepper. Chop fresh romaine lettuce and toss it with Caesar dressing, croutons, Parmesan cheese, and the sliced chicken. This salad is a classic for a reason. It's delicious, satisfying, and so easy to prepare. Now that we've covered some amazing lunch recipes, let's talk about meal prep tips. Start by planning your meals for the week and preparing ingredients in advance. Chop vegetables, cook grains, and portion out your proteins ahead of time. Use airtight containers to keep your meals fresh. This way, you'll save time during busy weekdays and always have something healthy on hand. Thank you so much for watching. We hope these lunch ideas inspire you to eat healthier and make your busy days a little easier. Which recipe was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tasty and practical recipes. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!